Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy New Year. Coming to you the day, this is New Year's Day. Um, Helping a buddy of mine put in some can lights, some recessed lighting in his, they're called can lights because they used to be cans, but they're not cans anymore. They're these things now. So this is from somebody on Wayfair, maybe the Torchstar lights, a 6-inch downlight. And this is a quick little review on these things. Things I love about these lights are they're really, really flat. They look good on in the ceiling when they're in. I've already put 8 in over that way. And then in the kitchen here, what we did is we put new drywall up over the plaster, the wood lath and the plaster. And so I say we, but I'm just here helping do the lights. And anyway, so we've got like an inch and maybe like 1.5 inches, 1 3/8 of distance between finished product of drywall there and then the wood lath that goes up inside. And so what's really cool about these lights is they've got these hinge flaps on them that I didn't think were going to work. I thought we were going to have to get in the attic and go back through and multi-tool out some of that wood lath so it would sit real well. But so far, I've not needed to do that on any of these. The lights are sitting in there fine. So that's what I like about them. What I don't like is that there's no ground wire on this fixture. I don't like that. There's no, it's so simple to put a ground wire there. The other thing I don't like is that they're only wired for 2 wire, and then they give you a connection. They give you a connector, a push-in connector for 4 wires, which means they want you to use use 2 wires in the same hole. And I don't think that that's always the best thing to do. It's not secure. The second you push these things in the attic, the whole thing kind of jars loose because this little door that goes on the top of that thing here, that when the wires move on the outside here, this Romex, when that wiggles or moves or bends, these connections in here also bend and then they can pop out of there. So the last 2 more things I don't like about these lights, this box here on top that holds the mechanism and the box that's going to hold this connection is too small. It doesn't need to be this small. On a 6-inch light, we could use more space. It could be taller. Like you can put more room on this, right? I don't need, what would that be? Like 6.5 cubic inches, right? Like that's not enough, not a lot of space. So that's one of the things I don't like about it. And then the last thing I don't like about it, the box isn't big enough, the wire connectors, the no ground. Dang it. There was something else. The box isn't big enough. That's it. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button because you never want to miss out on little quick tip videos like this when I do a project. And Happy New Year. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.